Alright, so it's about 6:15 in the morning. I've had 3 fans on this water and it's still soaked. And let's see how this flooring did. Let's pull this stuff out. Yep, it's still underwater. Yep. Alright. Underwater. Nice. I'm going to tell you right now, that guy's in trouble. Wow. That is in there, man. You're done. Call the insurance company, man. That's on 1,000 square feet, you're looking at, okay, that's 2 1/4 inch wide, 3/4 inch thick, random length, first quality select. It's gonna be $4 a foot. That's $4 grand. It's gonna be buck and a half to pull it up. Let's just say that's another $1,000, and then you got to get it installed. Okay. Good luck trying to find somebody at $350 a foot. That's usually done when someone is production housing, but still you're looking at 4. Let's call it another 4, and then call it a buck. That's $9,000 to replace this floor, and then you're ripping the whole thing up, tearing your house up. Kind of a pain in the butt, but I mean, this floor's done. Okay, this floor here, solid, man. That's in unbelievable shape. HDF hardwood, 3/4 inch solid hardwood. I mean, this thing's destroyed. That's good for kindling. So let's put them together for you. Let me find my coffee cup. There's the volcanic, the finger. There's the volcanic ash that was underwater last week for 9 hours on the 30th through the 30th of May, 31st of May. So let's grab a metal. All right. And how am I going to do this? All right, let's see. What are you doing, buddy? Put that thing down. Nice. Where is it? Okay. Oh. Oh. Bingo. There you go. Click, lock, hardwood. Unbelievable. Ugh. That's nice. New technology, man. Let's get some something to wipe it off. New technology survives. Throw it in the dumpster. Nice. Up. Well, I got nothing to wipe it off with. Yeah, I do. Okay. Well, let's see. Anyway, the floor didn't swell. Still got water on it. It didn't swell one bit. And that is HDF Click Lock Hardwood. These are your selections. You get a solid core. You don't get this, which is what a retailer does to you. Split the core with a laminate finish. I mean, you gotta be kidding me. So let's put a let's put something on top called a laminate, and let's hide and let's skim. So they split the core. You know, ask the retailer how come they don't put this on the side of their boxes. Floor score certifications and everything that comes with, you know. Just let them know. No, retailers don't do that on your box. They're more important when we talk to you about Jenka. Throw that right out the door. I want to know if something's going to get destroyed, or if my dog, or my cat, or my kids, or me, you know, or a rock on a boot is going to destroy. So this flooring here is scratch stain, impact, household chemical, cigarette burn, obviously flooding, water, resistant, waterproof locking. These are your multi-wick styles. It's unbelievable, man. With the patented click lock locking system. These are your single wick styles. Nice. Whoa, whoa, whoa. And we just went through, let's see, about 7 o'clock to 6. That's 6 hours plus about 10, 11 hours of flooding rain. That's the second time in less than a week, and the floor has turned out absolutely beautiful. So no pain and anguish of having to call the insurance company. This is going to cost you about $9 a foot, and this material here, you don't have to pull it up. It survived. In fact, it's going to be cleaner because you can just wipe it off. It's $1.99 a foot. I'm Allen Field with Big Box Liquidation. Free local pickup, and I can ship this across the United States. 615-800-1646. Everybody should have this in their house.